Hi everyone, SSC and the top government exams के experience में हम बहान बमक्तरा GKGS Manipur welcome तौजरी नसीसु GKGS Manipur weekly current affairs की वीडियो अमा experiencing के दमक्ता पूर्ण लाक्सरी ममांग दिसु GKGS Manipur March month की complete weekly current affairs video थागत चक्रे हारिबा वीडियो सिंग दो येंग दुबिसिन नाउ सिंग येंग व्यू आई description द लिंक सोदन हापचरंगे मसी अखोगी upcoming exams of SSC and top government exams of 2025 sing da yamna important oigani na khanjai aduga ngasi su purakli weekly current affairs se koi 1st April dagina 6 April phok ta thokhiba adumba important events sing the base toba news to yaw kiba important events sing the base toba koi appointments for su da koi military exercise for su atopa national news for su mayam ama khomjil lakanda aina exam oriented oina semjara video ni aduna maram ora kanda masigi video se akoi MCQ format to oigani masigi video class ka masi hara kanda ngasigi class se akoi matam ya mangan da bida hujin ba torse ngasigi han ba question da which country assumed the chairmanship of BIMSTEC for 2025 and 2027 karamba country na no na hangi ko chairmanship of BIMSTEC assume to 2025 to 2027 option number A da India, option number B the China, option number C the Bangladesh, and option number D the Sri Lanka. So BIMSTEC mayam na soy dana khangbira muni hantak 4 April dagi comments to ba hokiba adumba summit amani aduga masigi edition je kya sube edition no ana ha ta 6 sube edition ne koi ka 2025 4 April da pangthok aduga kadai da pangthoki have matam da Bangkok da pangthoki ko Bangkok Thailand da aduga BIMSTEC ki full form se karino hana hartar the Bay of Bengal BOB Bay of Bengal initiative for multi-sectorial technical and economic cooperation and having cooperation economical having duda akhoi 7 countries lai 7 countries to kana no har ta di Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Thailand, Myanmar ka har busing sini aduga hantak sahi gi oina 2025 to 2027 ki chairmanship assume to ki badum ba BIMSTEC ki chairmanship assume to ki country du di none other than Bangladesh. Option number C is the correct option here ka aduga next question the continue to our where is the 6th BIMSTEC summit held kadai the pangthok ki no na high 6th uba summit of BIMSTEC se ka koina jikta so aina mamangi question da hijackre do yeng si du ta option number A the Dhaka, option number B the New Delhi, option number C the Bangkok, and option number D the Shanghai. And here the correct option is Bangkok, Thailand ka Thailand the pangthok ki Yugai no jugai jakar BIMSTEC je 7 country lai do mayam ningsing bud line bugi do mangta BIMS sab se koi lower si BIMST si bok lower si e si je ngak tang ko to ko tho se ko B se koi Bangladesh we hela si Bangladesh I na India dogi M na Myanmar mayam ningsing bud line ki ni ko sai si mai ki si ha bana te ko S na Sri Lanka, T na Thailand. Aduga EC gi mohta koina BN na harse BN se kaino amana Bhutan amana Nepal. Sign to kana ningsing biroko. With this, okay, question number 3 da continue to see which of the following represents the full form of body program announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi during the BIMSTEC Summit. BIMSTEC Summit ki mama matang da Prime Minister Narendra Modi ne announced of the body program ki full form kari no hangi. Option number A the body outreach for diplomatic human integration, broad outreach for development and health initiative. Option number C the Bay of Bengal and Bay of Bengal development of for Himalayan integration, and option number D the BIMSTEC for organized development of human resource infrastructure, and option mari pire. And here masigi matang the correct option se karino akoi option number D is the correct option BIMSTEC for organized development of human resource and infrastructure. Sagi matang da aina hafetang palamdre ko ai theme of BIMSTEC se hafetang ningsing giram ge theme se akoi hantak sahi theme se karino haina haiba matam the BIMSTEC prosperous, resilient, and open habisni ko BIMSTEC prosperous, resilient and open haibase koi hantak sahi gi BIMSTEC summit ki theme ni aduga body program se kari gi damakta karamba makhal gi program noin hangak taragadi masigi body program se akhoi gi BIMSTEC nation singda India na propose to kari gi damakta skill development adai training gi damakta adai scholarship gi damakta masung capacity building gi damakta propose to ba aduba program mong khakni ko India na aduga hantak sahi gi theme BIMSTEC prosperous resilient and open ko next what major transport agreement was signed during the BIMSTEC summit 2025 BIMSTEC summit 2025 matam sign to ba tumba major transport agreement to karamba major transport agreement no na hange ko so BIMSTEC option number A da BIMSTEC transport pact option number B da BIMSTEC road development agreement option number C the BIMSTEC maritime transport agreement option number D the BIMSTEC rail integration plan and option mari repeat. And here, that is option number C, BIMSTEC Maritime Transport Agreement. And next question, which of the following SpaceX mission was the first to launch a human space flight directly over the Earth's polar regions? Earth's polar region power human space flight directly launched over a SpaceX mission maming kari kaubanon hange ka. Option number A the Q10, option number B the Aditya L1, and option number C the FAM2, and option number D the Inspiration 4. And option Marie and here correct option is option ani Q10 si kari no ha matam da Sunita William song Woods Wilmer ko mayam na hantak yang long news ta gi ba 2024 dagi hona ko tarakliba mabani se ke doba rescue to na ba art muk purak na ba tha gi ba mission dui maming akhoi Q10 ko aduga atop astronauts mari ma international space station da ko aduda amuk thanam na ba do tha gi ba mission dui maming akhoi Q10 ko aduga Aditya L1 sina akhoi India gi ISRO gi hai tare ko ISRO gi mission amni ke dona ba akhoi numit study to na ba aduma mission amni aduga and here masigi question ji correct option je kari no ha ma da frame 2 ni ko option number C is the correct option ram kan da launch to kib no hai tar de March 31 2025 the launch to kibani aduga mark se kadai da launch kadai da karamba complex ta karamba site ta launch to ki launch site to kadai da no na hang ta launch site che ko gi launch complex 39A Kennedy Space Center Florida dagi launch to kibani ko Kennedy Space Center Florida mafam sitagi launch to kibani ka daga maki rocket maming na Falcon 9 kari ka so with this question number 6 tamu continue to which space agency launched the global astronomic interferometer for astrophysics mission Gaia mission ka Gaia mission harga khangnaba aduma mission du karamba space agency na launch to kiba adumba mission ama non hangi option number A ISRO option number B NASA and option number C JAXA and option number D ISHA Sigi space Sigi space mission che ka akhoi kaido bugi damakta launch to kibno ma se han ko akhoi 2013 da ISHA na launch to kiba adum mission am adu kari gi damakta news ta akhoi 2025 sida yawrak libno haina matam da akhoi March 27 to 2025 ta masigi mission Gaia mission che akhoi shutdown to bugi ne shutdown to rani and announce to khebe shana du gi damak news tamu hanjilak ne adu namar mara kan da akhoi mo question ne ai na pujarak ne aduga masigi mission che kari gi damak ta launch to no hain tar de akhoi Milky Way gi yamna precise of 3D map ama same na bugi damak ta launch to bane to create a very precise 3D map of Milky Way haita masigi damakta launch to aduma mission ni ko aduna here the correct option is option number D European Space Agency ko isa ko question number 7 da mu continue to say when was Odisha Foundation Day or Utkal Divas celebrated? Utkal Divas na toga Odisha Foundation Day se karam kan celebrated to guna nan. Option number A the 1st April, option number B the 2nd April, and option number C the 3rd April, and option number D the 4th April. Option mari pire ko. Yam so idana khangbiro magani, that is Odisha se akhoi 1st April 1936 ta 1936 ta mark se ka separate state ama oin established or separate state ama oin ka have the state would fangeba ka aduga antak sahi 2025 ta magi 80th anniversary neba state would fangbagi 88 suba aduna maram orakanda 1st April se Odisha Foundation Day or Utkal Divas aina celebrated to ko Odisha se hana masigi mamangda ko Bengal presidency ki makha de lerambani. So with this, a quick question number 8 tamu continue to say, when was National Maritime Day celebrated? National Maritime Day is celebrated to hang. Option number B the A the 2nd April, option number B the 3rd April, option number C the 4th April, and option number D the 5th April, and option repeat. So so then come here National Maritime Day. Here the correct option is option number D 5th April the National Maritime Day and celebrated to eduka hantak sahi ki theme hai tare theme je kari no na hangai ko adu tare khoi na nixing gatu se prosperous seas and nixing gatu prosperous seas and nixing gani ko adu da khoi full oina hang harak ta gadi prosperous seas develop India and youth for blue economy and green growth have say hantak sahi gi National Maritime Day gi theme ni I so you understand or magani na thazai experiencing with this question number 9 the move on to from which Indian state does the traditional tribal handicraft Ganadipaya recently awarded the geographical indication tag originated karamba Ganadipaya hariba tribal handicraft traditional tribal handicraft se geographical indication tag phangre masi je karam state ki horak pano hangi ko option number A Kerala, option number B Karnataka, and option number C Tamil Nadu, and option number D Orissa. And man picture this ure that is here the correct option is right. Option number A that is Kerala the horak pani ko and question number 10 the continue to the traditional Saudagiri block print which recently received the geographical indication tag is associated with this Indian state ko Indian state ka related oi banon hangi ko adu tagadi option number A the Gujarat, option number B the Maharashtra, option number C the Madhya Pradesh, and option number D the Rajasthan ko picture da su ure masigi haiba Saudagiri block printing se akhoi yamna kuirba ancient textile printing technique amne aduga mark se akhoi Ahmedabad palakpadagi di myam nising amgani Ahmedabad natra kadai da no se khangani for nearly sahi sahum hena ko practice to rakanda la aba adumba block printing technique amne ko and here the correct option is Ahmedabad, Gujarat ko. And with this question number 11, we continue to the Sapati chili, also known as tomato chili here that is Sapata chili. Recently awarded the geographical indication tag, so GI tag function, and this unique variety is associated with this Indian state. Option number A the Tamil Nadu, option number B the Uttar Pradesh, option number C the Madhya Pradesh, option number D the Telangana, and option mari P the and here akhoi khoi so idana khanga mogani masigi sapati chili picture the sure the correct option is Telangana gini ko or tomato chili ya busana boka and with this question number 2 tom continue to say the Kumbakonam betel leaf habidi me am so idana khang muni ko amana and Thovalite flower garland ko recently granted the geographical indication tag. These products are associated with this Indian state from Indian state to belong to Badumba product no and hangika. Option number A Tamil Nadu, option number B Telangana, and option number C Karnataka, and option number D Assam. Masi means the makwita patata akoy kedoga south ki male aduga picture the sure that is the correct option is Tamil Nadu gini ko. And question number 13 the question number 13 the who has been appointed as the deputy governor of RBI. Appointment की question अमुक लाए है तारे में उनका मथंग ऐसा है ना news सिंचेस कोई topic wise उन्हें तुम समझल लम्नी का अदना मैं share to ko bi no hai tare ka aduna yeng asi option number A the T Ravi Shankar, option number B the M Rajeshwar Rao, and option number C the Michael Patra, and option number D the Punam Gupta ka. So yeng asi koi picture to sure and here the correct option is Punam Gupta. Punam Gupta ni ka. Duga magna kana replace to dino Michael Patra se Punam Gupta na replace to dini ka Michael Patra se. अदुगा मैम सोदन खंगबिरमोने आरबीआई पलकपसिदा अखोय आरबीआई की मतंग दा हेपेतंग आई हाइजरम को आरबीआई से करम द एस्टैब्लिश तौकिबनो है हंगता 1st April 1935 ता अखोय एस्टैब्लिश तौकिबनी अदुगा मा के एस्टैब्लिश तौकिबगी ऑन द रिकमेंडेशन कना की रिकमेंडेशन करम कमीशन की रिकमेंडेशन की मखादा हिल्टन यंग कमीशन का हिल्टन यंग कमीशन na recommendation toro matung da RBI se establish to kin kram saying the 1st April 1935 ta ko aduga ma ki RBI act na RBI act of 1934 hai tarika so me am so dina khanga maganin tha jai question number 14 da mu continue to se who has recently been appointed as new president of Asian Cricket Council Cricket Council ACC gi new president oina kana appointed to buno na hangi ko Nizam Seti option number B the Inam ul Haq option number C the Mohsin Naqvi and option number D Sami Silva. Okay, option mari lai re. Here the correct option is Mohsin Naqvi ko Mohsin Naqvi isne kana replace to dino Sami Silva se replace to dine ko Sami Silva se karam country to belong to Sri Lanka gini aduga Mohsin Naqvi na karam bai dino je akhoi kari ori PCB gi Pakistan gi cricket board hai tar PCB hai Pakistan cricket board hai mi ko chairman ori ma na Pakistan to belong to ne aduga marks now na new president of Asian Cricket Council oina appointed to bani picture the sugi ra ka so experiencing understand to magnan thazai with this question number 15 da mu continue to see move on to see who has been named the chairman of the Indian Banks Association IBA for the upcoming financial year upcoming financial year gi hoi kanabu akoina chairman of Indian Bank Association oina lauthokibano na hangi okoi picture se ubda ta dom niching oni SBI gi hana chairman on baka akoi duitagadi option number A Salah Srinivasulu Shetty is the correct option here ai option ning drungai da dum option se correct option haijarab ni ka duitagadi IBA Indian Bank Association have chi matang da akoi man so news to yaw woni na khangda ba yade karigina masi amu akoi exam ki question da hangak pa ya ma se kram kan establish to Indian Bank Association je September 26 1946 te establish to ki ma ki headquarter kadai dano headquarter Mumbai dane Mumbai Maharashtra duga ma se nore nising gadu se nore statutory body yamna te habdi ma se parliament ki ek amana establish to bana te na habni ko me it was not established by an act of parliament habni ka aduna masigi points in che me understand or magnan thazai so next question move on to say who has been appointed as a private secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi Prime Minister Narendra Modi ki private secretary oina kana appointed to kimnon hange picture du sure option de yang se du tarde option number A Nidhi Tiwari option number B Manisha Sharma and option number C Hima Tyagi and option number D Nima Kohli ko and he was one of the youngest private secretary hai tare ko and she was hai tare aduga and here the correct option is Nidhi Tiwari ko and marks IFS officer mani ko Nidhi Tiwari se so question number 17 da move on to who is the first African woman to hold the position of the Secretary General of the Commonwealth of Nations ko koi yang si Secretary General gi position hold to ki han the first African woman to kana no na hang bani ka du ta de koi option jing jin na si option da Ellen Johnson Sirleaf Patricia Scotland Charlie Botchwi and option number D da Christina Ko Sigi option se correct option se hiding either the Commonwealth of Nations have to carry combined of what the organization no have to have a ministry. Commonwealth of Nations have a association of 56 independent countries never association of 56 independent countries. Karamba countries which was once under the British rule. British ki makada once under the British rule. British ki makha the British na law isala kan da lairamaba adumba countries sing hai tare ko gi adumba association amne Commonwealth of Nation hai bse ko aduga khai basi ki Commonwealth of Nation se ma ki headquarter se kada idano London UK dane ko aduga hantak mark se first African woman of Secretary General ki position hold to first African woman duna kanano na hangta ga de ko here the correct option is Shirley Botchwey ko Shirley Botchwey is the correct option number C ko with this question number 18 dam continue to say who has been appointed as the chairperson of the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority PFRDA PFRDA gi akoi chairperson oina kanabo appointed tawkibano hangni ko and adu taga di yeng ase option number A da Siva Rathore option number B da Vikas Singh option number C da Subha Subramaniam Raman Deepak Mohanty option number D da ko adu taga di yeng ase akoina sigi appointment je ma hoje in action lagri hai tare ma hoje ma ke pham je pai boy re hoje current kanan ori current ko Deepak Mohanty no ori current chairperson of the PFRDA ne bisina chairperson of PFRDA ne adubo ma ki term se kam kan lo ne term will end in May 2025 to load in May 2025 to load kan da kanana mo heldina Siva Subramanian Raman no heldina aduna mujhe se akoi chairperson oina ma se akoi Siva Subramanian Raman se kanagi mohta Deepak Mohanty mohta appointed tawbani so I don't understand to we are confused to Romero na kanjai ko confused alamaro so with this question number 19 da mu yeng asim where the Mersum flight test conducted by DRDO and Indian Army in April 2025. Mersum flight test kada da conducted to kibano na hangi ko. Mersum habdi MRSAM habdi akhoi ke do medium range surface to air missile habni surface to air missile haina habni Mersum ge full form se do kana kada da DRDO na conducted to kibano haina hangi April 2025 sida ko option number A the Sandipur option number B the Pokhran Rajasthan and option number C the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island option number D the Visakhapatnam so the mami taramani aduga and here the correct option also the correct option je kada idano option number D Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island ko aduga Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island se kada idalai Odisha gi sisho offshore da laibane ko Odisha gi offshore 150 km okoi capital Bhubaneswar da gi 150 km chalakanda ko 150 km from Bhubaneswar hai tare ko Bhubaneswar aduga mayam gi khoma amatang saida ai haijarang ge masigi se akoi mayam na search tawakanda experiencing the search tawakanda akoi comment box ta masigi answer sa habiram ko APJ Abdul Kalam Island gi ko hana all name kari ko bage ko all name of APJ Abdul Kalam to kari no in habase akoi formerly hai tare formerly kari har kanda khangara mun APJ Abdul Kalam Island se sigi che akoi comment box ta mayam gi homa oina bijare aduna comment box answer pibiram ko mayam soidana piram gane na thajai with this question number 20 the continue to say who is the recipient of the 34th Saraswati Samman for the year 2024 34 recipient of Saraswati Samman for the year 2024 hai tare ko kana no anangi ko akoi 34 chuba Saraswati Samman received to 2024 ge 2025 to p me adu news to york ni ko option number A da Purnima Devi Burman option number B da Mamta Kalia and option number C da Sadhu Badres Das and option number D da Professor Brimal P Patel ko and here akoi 34 chuba Saraswati Samman je kana da p ki hen hang targade here the correct option is option number C that is Sadhu Badres Das ko kari gidamakta Saraswati Samman haiba award che mayam na akoi palla abni na sa matang khanging gani kamain to ba award no hana ma khanging gani ko akoi gi marks se any akoi gi schedule language to yoriba schedule 8 ki schedule language 22 language lai do adu gi language da hai tare ko sigi language gi manung channa tawriba literary work hai tare outstanding literary work to piba outstanding oiba literary works ki damakta piba schedule language sing sigi manung sida ko atop English kai kai yaw dare ko sigi language sing sigi manung da chan pangthoi ba literary works piba adumba award samani hai tare Saraswati Saman hai bse ka duga Sadhu Bhardes Das ta ma ki Sanskrit scholar am ne sigi akho ki Sadhu Bhardes Das hai bse akho ki Sanskrit 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 scholar am ni ka ma ki kari gi damak ta pi bano ana ha ta ga de ma ki Sanskrit book am le ba book ki mami akho ne kai kawi Swami Narayana Siddhanta Sudha hariba lyrics se sigi damakta mangonda Saraswati Shaman 34 suba se 2024 ki oina Sadhu Bhadres Das ta okay represent tawbane ka with this question number 21 da continue torsi who was recently honored with the Gold Mercury Award for Peace and Sustainability. Gold Mercury Award is Canada people hangi. Option number A da Koshi Matsumoto. Option number B da Narendra Modi. Option number C da Antonio Guterres. And option number D da Tenzin Gyatso. And here, masai da correct option ja koi myam so dun khang biramani ka. 14 chuba Dalai Lama. 14 chuba Dalai Lama. That is Tenzin Gyatso was the recipient of the honor of the Gold Mercury Award for Peace and Sustainability. Option number D is the correct option. Dalai Lama have the kanano as the kanano so nishan Dalai Lama. Gyatso Dalai Lama neba Tenzin Gyatso se 14 chuba. Dalai Lama have the akogi Tibetan Buddhism ki spiritual leader of Tibetan Buddhism. So question number 22 continue to say the Lok Sabha recently passed a bill to establish Tribhuvan Sarkar University in which state Lok Sabha na recently Tribhuvan Sarkar University se established state established bill passed hangi. Option number A Gujarat, option number B Maharashtra, and option number C Uttar Pradesh, and option number D Kerala. And here the correct option is that is Gujarat. Kanagi maming laro kan thon bano si se akoi Tribhuvan Das Patel gi Tribhuvan Das Patel hariba freedom fighter hai tare ko freedom fighter amne ma se ko akoi India ki akoi cooperative movement ki pioneer amne ma ki maming laro kan da thon bane ba ko. So yengase question number 23 damo. In which Indian state was the country's largest high-tech solar cell manufacturing plant recently inaugurated? India's largest high-tech solar manufacturing cell high-tech plant inaugurated. Option number A Assam, option number B West Bengal, and option number C Gujarat, and option number D Jharkhand. Here the correct option is that is option number C Gujarat inaugurated marks kanani inaugurated question by Union Minister of New and Renewable Energy kana Pralhad Joshi na inaugurated tawkiba adumba plan amane. So I don't understand with this. Question number 24 now continue to say who is the author of the book Great Conciliator, a book on Lal Bahadur Shastri. Great Conciliator, a book on Lal Bahadur Shastri have say kanan ibanon hangika Lal Singh Sadda. Option number B the Sanjeev Chopra, option number C the Manish Singh, and option number D the Bhupesh Yadav. And here the correct option is that is Sanjeev Chopra is the correct option. Aduga khosida Lal Bahadur Shastri hana khoi point am yor abni Lal Bahadur Shastri yam iconic oiba slogan am layo Jai Jawan Jai Kishan haba slogan se kanana piram baneba Lal Bahadur Shastri ne piram ba dumba slogan am ne sigi points so mam ningsing biro ka share the sure ka. So with this question number 25 tam continue Thursday. What is the name of the multinational air exercise in Greece in which the Indian Air Force will participate? Multinational multinational air exercise kada pangthokiba Greece to pangthokiba akhoi Indian Air Force participate to goduba exercise to maming kari ko bano na hangi ka. And here the correct option is that is correct option the hiding option sing option number A the blue flag, option number B the inauspicious 25, option number C the red flag, and option number D the cobra warrior and high. And here the correct option is option number B that is inauspicious 25 Nikon. Aduga location masigi kadai da pangthoki for Greece ki kadai da Andhra Bida Yarbes ka Greece da pangthoki ba dumba exercise amne duga host na kari mukhai Greece ki Hellenic Air Force na host obani the participate of nations masing kya na 15 nations join to kanda jointly participate of dumba multinational exercise amne. Question number 26 now we continue to see where is the fourth edition of the Indo-US Tri-Service Exercise Tiger Trump 2025 being conducted. Fourth edition Tiger Trump 2025 की fourth edition Indo-US India के US का Tri-Service Exercise Tri-Service है भी मरम दिया कोई army की branch of है बनी का all the three branches of the Indian Armed Forces participate to begin ka adugi kadai da pangthoki banona hangi ka option number A Visakhapatnam, option number B Kochi, option number C Chennai, and option number D Port Blair ka. And here the correct option is Visakhapatnam the pangthoki ka Visakhapatnam da masi se akhoi SADR exercise makalam ne SADR exercise makalam ne SADR haibagi artha di akhoi humanitarian assistance and disaster relief disaster relief. Question number 27 damu yang asi tu taragadi. Which country first European country to withdraw from the International Criminal Court? And which country became the first European country in hagadam ni kamya? It's a question che kitang typing mistake like ba mark tawang ang but so ki biaw tar sumyam na dunga pi gani. Which country became the first European country to withdraw from the International Criminal Court? International Criminal Court tagi withdraw to kiba dumba first European country to do karamba country no na hangi ka. So the tagdi yang asi option number A the Hungary, option number B the Russia, and option number C the Italy, and option number D the Israel ka. And here picture this ure correct option is Hungary is the correct option here ka. Masi announce okiba makhoigi Prime Minister of Hungary do kanano an hangtar di Victor Orban ka. So masi suningsing biro aduga next question damu continue to see question number 29 which edition of the start of Mahakumbh held at Bharat Mandapam New Delhi da pangtokiba was inaugurated by Union Commerce and Industry Minister Shri Piyush Goyal ka Union Commerce amasung Industry Minister kana Shri Piyush Goyal na inaugurated tawkiba dum by start at Mahakanda do karamba kaya sube edition no na hange ka. First option number A the first edition, option number B the second edition, and option number C the third edition, and option number D the fourth edition. And here the correct option is kya sube edition me ba second edition ni ka. Next question number 30 the yang ase which country will host the FIFA World Cup 2035? FIFA World Cup 2035 Women's World Cup ni ka. FIFA Women's World Cup 2035 to karamba country na host of the na hangi ka. Option number A the India, option number B the United Kingdom, and option number C the USA, option number D the Brazil. And here the correct option is akoigi United Kingdom. Option number B is the correct option. United Kingdom host of the ka. Aduga FIFA ki president kanana announcement se kanana announce of no ta FIFA ki president khangmo mathau ta FIFA ki president kanano use Gianni Infantino announced over president of FIFA. Next question number 31 damu yang ase who claimed the women's single title at the Indian Open 2025 PSA Copper event squash game gi event amani ko hariba PSA Copper event da India women single titles kanana logibano hana hai ko India gi number 1 hadak ta announce tokiba kana Helen Tang option number A da option number B da Josna Chinapa option number C da Anahat Singh and option number D da Nilekuri Gillis and option repeat and here for India gi number 1 squash player women's squash player that is Anahat Singh ko Anahat Singh na maki women single title se lauke do mana kana mai thiba piba Hong Kong gi Helen Tang ko Helen Tang se mai thiba piba ne ko Hong Kong gi Helen Tang kya da point kya da 30 da ko duga men's ki single title na kana na laukiba men's single title na Egypt ki Karim El Torki men's ki single titles na Egypt ki Karim El Torki na akoi mahang title se lauki ko sumain to na question number 31 se lore question number 32 da mo yang ase which state in India will host the 12th men's Asia Cup hockey tournament in 2025 ta Asia's 12th sub edition ko Asia's men hockey cup se kadai da pangthok to no and hangi ko option number A the Bhopal Madhya Pradesh option number B the Rajgir Bihar option number C the Guwahati Assam and option number D the Pune Maharashtra ko dai da pangthok to ne ba ko 29 August gi na ya hokta 7 September 2025 sida pangthok khodoba andumba hockey cup amani ko si kya sub edition ne 12 sub edition ne aduga India da ani subo oina second time ne India da thoise ko second time ne aduga first time na kaya kada da pangthok kiba 7 edition do first time on India da ko held toki 7 edition da aduga kada da in Chennai da ko first time da aduga 2007 da sigi point si ning ba pai ko in dum question da sports related oina hanga pai ko khoi India da second time oina pangthoi isina khoi 12 edition of men's Asia Cup hockey ko tournament se khoi 2025 pangthok ko ne duga ahan boina mamang dos amuk pangthok re kaya sub edition oina 7 sub edition da kada da Chennai karma sahi da 2007 मैम सो अंडरस्टैंड तो बिरमोनी अदुगा हंदक सही ने कदा दा राजगीर बिहार ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन हियर का राजगीर बिहार द पंथो को नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 33 दी यंगसी which country hosts the first leg of the World Boxing Cup 2025 World Boxing Cup 2025 ki hanan ba first leg kada da pangthok kono World Boxing Cup se sahi in the 3 ahum thong na pangthok ka ama ni ahum adugi first leg se kada da pangthok kono hanangi ka first leg se kada da pangthok kono sin option number A Brazil option number B USA option number C India and option number D China ka and here the correct option is akoi kada da pangthoe Brazil is the correct option Brazil gram from da Fox do Iguaçu ka Fox do Iguacu hai mafam se da pangthoe ka aduga hariba sigi event sida akoi Indian boxer singna medal kya lawrakhi ena akoi question ama hang taradi ka medal do kya makno hai ta ai masing do nixing bangam jadre ko me adoga akoi gold amaga silver amaga di lawrakhi ko gold lawrakhi ba okay medal machine e ko ma'am medal machine do 6 medals lawrakhi ko 6 medal total 6 medals lawrakhi Indian gi gi athletes na haitar Indian boxers na 6 medal lawrakhi to gold amaga silver amaga pulakande gold ama 1 gold and 1 silver haitar ko 1 gold and 1 silver ko han basina ko Brazil do phangtho e first selection aduga ani suba na hum subna kada da phangtho kani ba khogi Kazakhstan and India da pangthok aduni ka Kazakhstan and India da pangthok tini aduga hariba kogi gold lor kiba Indian boxer du mami kari kawi Hitesh Gulia koi ka now pointing ching ani ka which country hosts the first leg of the boxing World Cup 2025 the country na host Brazil ka jaga da Fox do Iguacu da ka Iguacu aduga hariba World Boxing Cup sida akogi 6 medal India na lawrakhi gold amaga silver amaga pulakanda gold lawrakhi akogi boxer du mami ke ko ba Hitesh Gulia kawi aduga World Boxing Cup se akoi sahi da hum la pangthoi akoi ahan ba se Brazil da thokre aduga next ani duna Kazakhstan amasung India da pangthokani ba akoi next question number 34 da mu continue torsi which Indian equestrian secured first place at the Azelhov CSI Lyre competition 2025 Azelhov CSI Lyre competition 2025 ta akoi first place secured torkiba adu Indian equestrian do du maming kari ko bunon hange ka Anus Agarwala, option number A, option number B, the Niharika Singhania, option number C, the Fawad Mirza, and option number D, the Asis Lima. Yeah, okay, the picture is ure, and here the correct option is option number B, that is Niharika Singhania. Next question number 35, Tomo Yangsi. Which city hosted the 21st edition of the Senior Asian Wrestling Championship? 21st edition ka. Yasuba edition, 21st edition of the Senior Asian Wrestling Championship. Kada ida karamba city na pangthok dino, karamba city da pangthok dino na hangi ka. New Delhi, option number A, option number B, the Shanghai, option number C, the Astana, and option number D, the Amman ka. Okay, pangthok to say that is option number D, Amman is the correct option here ka. Amman the pangthok to ni ka. Amman je capital city of Jordan की capital city amani ka karamba 25 to 30 March pangthokre ka aduga masigi masana asida ka akoi Manisha Banwala na akoi India gi oina gold purakiba adumba athlete amani ka hariba masana asida akoi India na total 10 medals propangam ki ka 10 medals is mixing biro ka akoi harif da 1 gold 3 silver and 6 bronze ka point sing me am understand toro magnian thaja experiencing ka next question damu continue tor shedu taradi who received the National Youth Award on April 3rd 2025 for outstanding contribution to improving early childhood education in India. Kanana no na hangi ko option number A Anand Kumar, option number B Harsh Sanghavi, option number C Akash Rao, and option number D Vivek Kumar ko. And here the correct option is Akash Rao. Akash Rao is the correct option, and he was the founder of Yuba Spark. Founder of Yuba Spark. Yuba Spark ki founder ni. aduga haiba masigi akogi National Youth Award che akoi kanana pibano hana hangtardi by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports na adumba present over award amani ka kana individuals under 30 years sahi kunthra gi makha da laiba individuals sings da ka sigi point sing ju mayam understand tor mani grab tor magnen thajai question next question da continue tor si veteran actor and director Manoj Kumar passed away at the age of 87. Manoj Kumar is si grab ko like hidre kaya da sahi kya da 87 and he was what was the nickname that he was famously known by because of his patriotic film. Maki patriotic film na maram marakanda patriotic film yan namamba kumamba dumba actor amni aduna maram marakanda maksam kari maki nickname se kari har kanda khangna banana hangi ko. Option number A Bharat Kumar, option number B Manoj Raja, option number C Bollywood King, and option number D Patriotic Manoj, and option Mari Pire. And here the correct option is option number A, that is Bharat Kumar har khang kari gino khoi na matang se Manoj Kumar pala isa han matam mark se lai khida basu ore akoi lai khida bagi question chu dum hangi adu mark se keno da 1992 da akoi Padma Shri phangkiba adumba actor amani Padma Shri aduga 2015 dana akoi Dada Saheb Phalke award mangwanda present tauki ko sigi maram singsinani ko next question number 30 adiangasti which organization recently released the report titled Education and Nutrition Learn to Eat Well haiba masigi report che kanana release torokno nang UNESCO option number B UNICEF option number C the Niti Aayog option number D the World Bank and here the correct option is that is option number A UNESCO na release to ba adumba UNESCO na release to ba adumba report amani ka aduga hariba report sig matung ina 47% approximately approximately 47% of the school pupils sing jaga doba makogi school the meals school meals ꯐꯪꯉꯦꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ school meals ꯐꯪꯖ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯌꯨꯅꯦꯁꯀꯣꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯏꯟꯗꯤꯡꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ school mealsꯦ lack adequate nutrition ꯀꯣ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯟ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯨꯅꯦꯁꯀꯣꯁꯤꯅ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠꯇ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯗꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯟ ꯂꯔꯟ ꯇꯨ ꯏꯠ ꯋꯦꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯨꯅꯦꯁꯀꯣꯅ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯤ मैम सी पॉइंट निश्चिंबीरगनी क्वेश्चन नंबर 39 दा येंगसी which state celebrated Sarhul festival on 1st April 2025 1st April 2025 da Kamba state na Sarhul festival celebrated tobano hangi ko and here pictures adum I answers darken to kan da lerami ko option number A Jharkhand is the correct option here ko Sarhul haibagi arthadi ko Sarhul festival se kamba makhal gi festival no haib jing minasi Sarhul haibagi arthadi kari no na haibu matam da worship of Saltri na habne ko Saltri masigi festival se akhoi ke dawa Jharkhand gi Chotanagpur region da laiba Jharkhand gi Chotanagpur region da laiba adumba Adivasi side di tribal singi oiba festival makhalamne tribal festival makhalamne मैम सिंग बिरो को हाबदि मसिगी फेस्टिवल सिना करी सेलिब्रेट तौरी है मतलब न्यू ईयर अमसुंग स्प्रिंग लापगी सेलिब्रेट तौरी अखोई मणिपुर द सैराव सेलिब्रेट तौबय न मोयगिसु करी सेलिब्रेट तौबे झारखंड गी जतनापुर रीजन गी ट्राइबल आदिवासी सिंगसिना Sarhul festival se celebrate tौबे Sarhul हाबदि मखोगी साल ट्री वर्शिप तौबगी अदुंबा festival makalamne. So with this question number 14 the organization LIVA has been established to promote the trade between India and whose country India kramba country gano hangi option number A Bangladesh option number B Nepal and option number C Sri Lanka and option number D Bhutan India gi neighboring countries na ni ka aduga masigi LIVA haibasi sigi full form je khang ta gi myam dum loina khangani LIVA haibadi the Lanka India Business Association hana habne aduna maram orakanda masigi liba se akhogi India ga Sri Lanka ga gi marakta economic ties strengthen tawna gi damakta to strengthen economic ties sai tare ko adumba sigi damakta laiba adumba organization amane linkat ki organization amane I'm certain understand to here the correct option question number 40 correct option is Sri Lanka and next question which organization has organized the National Conference on Environment 2025 National Conference on Environment 2025 the number organization organized overona hangi ko here SBI State Bank of India option number B the National Green Tribunal and option number C the Supreme Court of India and option number D the Indian Environmental Society and here the correct option is National Green Tribunal National Green Tribunal organized over conference amani ko haiba conference ase kanana inaugurated tawbano ha matam da khagi president Draupadi Murmu na inaugurated tawkibne ko kala de pangthoki haiba hangakta de ko haiba National Conference on Environment 2025 held at the Vigyan Bhavan New Delhi the pangthoki New Delhi 29 March the pangthokiba adumba event amani ka so with this ngasigi current affairs ki video si matang sa sida losinjare aduga PDF important updates amsung daily quiz ki damakta igi Telegram channel join tawsin biro or WhatsApp pa bichin now wishing you I description the link so then hapsang ge WhatsApp group amsung WhatsApp channel gi aduga mayamna experiencing I channel sidagi kana khajitang oina or su phangbi na khanbi taragadi channel si support to boy na atop experiencing the share to kilo aduga share to sin biramu aduga like amsung share to busu copy gano haina ningsingjari masi hara kanda mayambu thagatchori thank you